Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at an old cargo trailer and thought, you know what this rust bucket needs? A bed, a stove, and a life purpose? No? Well, someone did, and I'm kinda glad they did. Meet the Ramblenook Camper, a 2003 single-axle trailer that went from delivering someone's sketchy eBay packages to becoming a cozy getaway pod for people who think 40 square feet is just enough personal space. Before we go further, smash that subscribe button like it's a mosquito buzzing near your s'mores, because we've got more weirdly brilliant camper conversions and sarcastic commentary coming your way weekly. You don't want to miss the next episode where we rate sleeping bags based on how loudly they squeak when you roll over. Now, back to the Ramblenook. This thing is only 8 feet long, 2.4 meters, and just 5.4 feet, 1.65 meters, high on the inside, so if you're tall or mildly claustrophobic, bring knee pads and a helmet. But despite its size, I believe it packs a surprising punch. There's bench seating that turns into a double bed, cabinetry, and shelves for gear, and even a table made of oak, because nothing says luxury like dining on something fancier than your cousin Steve's kitchen table. The kitchen setup includes a mini sink and a propane stove. Sure, you won't be cooking Thanksgiving dinner in there, but it'll handle soup and coffee, basically the fuel of any good road trip. Oh, and yes, there's a hidden camping toilet, which I think is a polite way of saying bucket with ambitions. What I liked most? The off-grid setup. This micro cabin on wheels features solar panels, batteries, water tanks, power outlets, a ceiling fan, and even a small heater. It's not glamping, but it beats waking up in a soggy tent with a raccoon staring into your soul. The exteriors had a glow-up too, repainted metal, added storage box, and an awning at the rear hatch, perfect for standing outside in the rain and pretending you know how to cook in the wild. All this for $11,000, 10,300 euros. That's not bad for a vehicle that's more functional than my buddy Jeff's full-size RV, which has been under renovation for 5 years. So, if you've ever dreamt of escaping in a trailer the size of your bathroom, the Ramblenook Camper might just be your jam. And if you want to help us keep roasting gear and praising tiny trailer miracles, become a sponsor for just $1. Links under the video, right next to the one of Jeff trying to fix his RV with duct tape and hope.